Hello, this is JR from Tablet Command, and today we're going to show you how to do CAD simulations. This is available only via the web portal, which you have to have activated by an agency administrator on your account. Once you're logged in, on the left-hand side, select CAD Simulator. At the top, you'll note two tabs, CAD Simulations and CAN Simulations. CAD simulations are one-time use temporary CAD simulations that you can make in real time on the fly. If you have this activated in your account, you can select Add Simulation and create that one-time simulation. CAN simulations are simulations that you can have as always available to be activated by those that have the ability to do so. This may be something that is specific to your fire department and that you want to be able to recreate over and over as a part of a training exercise. CAN simulations may be only created by agency administrators. CAD simulations and CAN simulations are created in exactly the same way, and so we're going to show you how to add a simulation. To create a simulation, we're going to need an address. You can do this one of two ways. The first, of course, by entering it by hand. Make sure that you enter the address and the information specifically required as denoted by the stars. You can also go to our map and zoom in and find that particular address and drop a pin. It will automatically fill out the address for our call. Once the address is in place, go ahead and select the call type that you would like. And we suggest that you do this based on the same naming convention that comes out of your CAD. If you know fire map information, you can enter that here. You can also enter a cross street, a call number if you know it, a tactical channel, a command channel, a map page if you know it, and notes. The last drop down here is close in. This will close the CAD simulation automatically in that time period. We recommend that you do 30 minutes to an hour. You can always close it earlier if you're managing that incident. The last three things are checkboxes. Simulation, of course, which this is, we want to make sure that's checked. RTS, which is real-time sync. That means only one person can manage it at a time, just as you would on an actual call. And then notifications. Notifications will actually send notifications from the system to any of the apparatus or the folks that are subscribed to that apparatus to receive notifications. We do recommend that unless you know exactly where your folks are in a training environment, that you do leave that off. Lastly, we're going to add a sequence. This sequence being our alarms. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 alarms. So you're going to title first alarm, the number the alarm is, and the units. Go ahead and click the plus sign and add. Once you do that, it creates tiles for them, and now we know that those units will be dispatched when we set off a first alarm. You can also add comments here if you need to. And before you complete in the upper right corner, select Save. Next, we want to create a second alarm. So we're going to click Add Sequence, put in our title, our number, our units that we prefer, and add the units. Again, don't forget to click Save. If you need to go back and look to see who you've put into your alarms, you can expand it by clicking the arrow on the upper left-hand side. Once you're satisfied with your alarms, your address, your call information, click Submit Simulation, and it's going to add it all the way at the bottom of your simulation list. When it's time to set off that simulation, click in, and you'll notice at the top we can launch our first alarm, and when we're ready to go, we can launch our second alarm and get our training call going. If you need to edit your simulation anytime, you can click the pencil, go back in, and fix whatever it is you feel like you need to fix to update that simulation, and when you're done, click Update. We hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget you can always find us at tabletcommand.com.